everyone, so today is a advent calendar unboxing. We have got the Mylee, the advent calendar selection box. This is what it looks like here. I quite like it. It comes in a tin, which I quite like. I don't know when you open the tin if it's like an advent calendar, but this is a tin here. This is a 12-day advent calendar and it is £55. It seems to be £55 on all the sites that I've seen that seem to sell it. So that's good. And we're just going to unbox it anyways. I like that the tin doesn't really have a logo on or anything like that, so it's more usable. I do prefer it when they're less logo-y. Opens like this. And we have boxes, so that's exciting. We have boxes. So this is pretty pricey for a 12-day advent calendar. I mean, £55 for 12 days. I did use a discount code because of the, you know how I got that Charlotte Tilbury product. I on ASOS it was like it was squished, like a lot. Some of the product had came out on my Charlotte Tilbury product from the ASOS advent calendar. So I actually had a discount code for ASOS, so I got this a little bit cheaper. But at £55 shared by 12, this works out about £4. According to my calculator, this works out about £4.58 a day. So that's a lot of money a day. So we're going to unbox it in anyways. I'm quite excited about it. So we've got our boxes here. And like I say, the tin is reusable. So you're getting the tin as well as the advent calendar. But day number 1. Got little tissues, and I love the design. They've got like little baubles on. So the first day we have got the limited edition gel polish in the shade Quartz. So this is what the packaging looks like. This is what it looks like. Yeah, can you see? So it's like a steely grey colour. That's really bonny. Day number 2 is up here. This one feels light, so I'm not so sure if it's a gel polish. Right, no it's not. So day number 2, we have some magnets. This is what they look like here. I wonder if day number 1 was a magnet gel polish. Didn't look. Yeah, so I've just double checked. On day number 1, that steely quartzy colour was a magnet. So then on day number 2, you're getting 2 magnets for that day. I'm not the biggest fan of this style of magnet. I feel like you can't do a lot with designs on this style of magnet, but it's all right. I like to get magnets. I prefer like the circular one, the smaller ones, more detailed ones. So that's day number 2. We want to day number 3, which is here. Again, another lighter day. We have got the Mylee nail and cuticle oil pen, and that is it there. So alright, it's something I use. I could use a bit more, but a lot of cuticle oils actually set my hands off. It's crazy, my hands are actually the most sensitive thing ever. So that was day number 3. We went day number 4. We have got another light day, so we only had 1 gel polish and we're already 4 days in. We've got the Doodle pen, nail art marker for effortless designs. Okay, I quite like the look of this. I don't know whether it's a silver shade, you know, because it's got that silverness to it. So it took a couple of little bits of gauze to get it to come down, but now it does definitely have ink. But you've got to kind of press hard, which then defeats the object of it being really a pen. I mean, it could work better on a nail. I'm just trying it on cardboard, so we'll have to test that out. But I mean, that's something different, and it's kind of a nail-y, gel polishy type of product. So that was day number 4. Went to day number 5, which is this one here. I'm hoping a gel polish because we're 5 days in and we've only had 1. We have got, yes, a limited gel polish. This is in called Sherry Trifle. So this is the shade here. This looks nice. I'm quite excited. I feel like the bottles on these gel polish are smaller than actual Mylee gels. Like the bottles, I feel like we're getting smaller amount. These are 6 mils. I'm going to have to check against my Mylee gel polishes. but that is the shade of that one there. So that was day number 5. We went to day number 6, so we're halfway through our advent calendar, which is here. We have got the Flake No Wipe Top Coat. Oh, this looks beautiful. I can't wait to try this. So this is a no wipe top coat, but it's got like flakes in, like iridescent glitters and stuff like that. How pretty is that? I'm so excited about that, yeah. And this is the size of Mylee gel polishes that I know, and that is 15ml. So yeah, their colours are definitely smaller. But yeah, that is that one there. Oh, very happy with that one. That is a bonny colour, and that's day number 6. So we went to day number 7, which is here. We have got another gel polish. This looks like a white shade. It's called Icing Sugar. Just double checking that it's not a builder gel or anything like that. So this is what it looks like there. I think it's just a white, which is nice, because I do like a bit of white, and white is a good shade to have at Christmas time. So that is good. That is the shade Icing Sugar. So that is 7. We want day number 8, which is down here. So I'm guessing another like naily pen or something like that. We have, and obviously this one is a gold shaded one here. Another doodle pen, which is good, because they are things that will get used, like products that will get used. That was 8. When day number 9, which is the largest store we have. See what we get in this. Oh dear. So we have got a scrunchie. I don't know what a scrunchie has to do with a nail gel polish advent calendar. I like getting scrunchies, but I feel like this is very nail oriented. It's only 12 days. I could have maybe got away with it if it was a 24 day, but not a 12. It's quite a bonny kind of one, retro-y, 60s-ish. But yeah, I just don't think they needed to put that in a £55 12-day advent calendar. So yeah, that's my opinion on that. So that was 9. We went to 10, which is here. We've got a Builder Gel. We have got the 5-in-1 Builder Gel Polish, and this is in Snow Globe. That's different. So this is like a sparkly Builder Gel. Oh, I don't know if I've ever really seen a sparkly Builder Gel. But that is it there. That is so pretty. So pretty. And I like that these are like the full sizes. I mean, granted, like, I can't remember the last time I used a full-size coloured gel polish. So, but yeah, I like that the Builder Gels and that are full-size. That's day number 10. Went to day number 11, which is here. So this is the day before our last day. We have got, for day 11, we have got Lucky Clover, and it's a 10ml. So this is a bit bigger, as you can see. I feel like that's bigger, isn't it? So I feel like maybe all the gel polishes are different sizes. It is like a green sparkly shade. Oh, that's bonny. Don't know whether that's coming off. That is a bonny. Oh, that is pretty. Yeah, that is a bonny shade. Very bonny. So that is day number 11. So we want our last day, which is day number 12, which is here. And we have got, ooh, this is pretty. This is in the shade Nativity, and this is like a blue sparkly shade. And again, this is a 10ml. Look at this one. That is that one there. That is so pretty. And yeah, it's just a coloured gel polish. I was just double checking it wasn't like a special gel polish or anything like that. That is our 12-day Mylee advent calendar. I like that we get a tin. It's something we can reuse. I like that. I do like that. I like the design of the tin. It's not Christmassy, but then they make it Christmassy inside, which is cute. I don't like that we got a scrunchie, and I'm not keen on the magnets being in a separate door. I feel like that's too kind of days, especially when it's a £55 advent calendar. Lucky enough, I got mine cheaper, but I mean, I think I got it in the £30 range because of a discount off of ASOS. But even at the £30 mark, at the 50, like, I still feel like that's a lot of money because we're not getting really 12 days of gel polishes. Don't mind the nail art items. I don't mind the cuticle oil. I feel like we should have had a nail file and something else with a nail file for day number 9. We didn't get a nail file, which is mad, for a nail calendar, but we got a hair scrunchie. So I think people have complained about the nail file and they've swapped the nail file for a hair scrunchie, which doesn't really make sense in a nail advent calendar to me. Yeah, so in my opinion, because it's only 12 days and you're getting them 2 kind of days, I wouldn't say it's worth the £55 because you're not getting all gel polishes, and it's only a 12 day as well, and it's working out at £4 something a day, you know. So in my opinion, I would definitely wait to see if you can get a discount or something like that. I'll have a link down below on all the like places that I can find it, and anyways, just in case you want to check it out, and maybe it goes down on discount, because like I say, as I'm filming this it's still £55, but by the time I upload this, it might not be £55. Yeah, but that's my kind of 2 pence on this advent calendar. I feel like previous years have been so much better. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like these type of videos, I would love it if you subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!